Welcome back. Let's talk about Dr. Farooq Abdullah, because this time he has again made a controversial statement, and this time around he is making personal attacks on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Let's listen in to what he has to say.
और मुसलमानों को निशाना बना के कहते हैं ये मुसलमान ज्यादा बच्चे पैदा करते हैं। मोदी साहब, आप अपनी बीवी को संभाल नहीं सके तो आपके बच्चे कहां से आते? आप क्या जानते हैं बच्चों की मोहब्बत? आप क्या जानते हैं उनका लगाव? किस तरह वो माँ बाप की इज्जत करते हैं, माँ बाप की खिदमत करते हैं? आप क्या जानते हैं? आपका तो कोई है ही नहीं। अकेले हो, अकेले ही जाओगे। उनसे पूछो जिनकी औलाद है। अल्लाह का शुक्र है कि उनकी औलाद अल्लाह ने दी है।
Well, Yawar, such kind of statement is the political discourse that we have been witnessing during elections, and personal attacks, that has been something that has time and again been witnessed on the Prime Minister.
Well, Amita, not the first time that Farooq Abdullah has made these remarks against the Prime Minister. Now, again, when he was in his election campaigning in the North Kashmir Standard sector, which is close to the line of control, now the Farooq Abdullah reignites the Parivar debate. And in fact, he said that the PM is continuously targeting the Muslims over their children, but the Prime Minister couldn't take care of his wife, so where would his children have come from? So these are the statements that have been continuously repeating by the National Conference President. We witnessed that when he was in the election campaigning in South Kashmir, same was the words from him. Now it came again in a light when he targets Prime Minister with these insulting remarks. Remember that there has been a series of the things that came in the light. Right. Besides that, the Farooq Abdullah has been continuously saying that the Prime Minister's 10th rule saw institutionalism of hate against the minorities, but somehow the continuously targeting with the personal remarks has been, outrage among the BJP workers in the Kashmir Valley, and they said that this should stop, and this is something that's going to be so personal against when it comes to the country's
that's the point there. Elections are underway, but Gali politics is intact, and however, this is yet another personal attack that has been made against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Yawar, thank you very much for joining in. You're watching Times Now. We will be back after a short break.